The structural integrity around the starboard wing is critical.
Yes, the sonar confirms multiple stress fractures there.
Inflation rate holding steady at 50 psi.
Roger that. Monitor the forward straps for stress.
Stop the lift. Strain gauges are spiking, waiting for stabilization now.
Look at that! It worked!
Incredible. Years of work finally paid off.
The readings are spiking near the starboard access panel.
Confirm. Let's get a beta gamma reading on that erosion point now.
Confirm tension on the starboard cradle.
Starboard cradle secure. Hold position.
Check the port restraints one more time. Safety first.
Clamp is reading green.
Confirmed secure.
Aft starboard checks complete.
Reading is inconsistent with the blueprint specifications.
I see that. It appears to be a fatigue crack.
Look at the pitting here on the high-pressure turbine.
That is severe corrosion. Log it before we move it further down the bay.
Ensure the adhesive is evenly spread before applying the doubler.
Yes, engineer. Using the roller now to remove any air pockets.
Ensure these tolerances match the digital twin exactly before we proceed.
Hydraulic pressure steady at 3,000. Initiating flight control cycle.
Roger that.
Movement is smooth and within parameters.
Look at the resonance spike at 400 hertz.
It's within tolerance, but barely.
We should log that for post-analysis.
Status check, Raider 21.
Go ahead.
You are clear for departure. Godspeed.